Welcome to the product demonstration of hybrid shift propulsion system power management and steering control using Arduino and LabVIEW software. In this part we are using, here you can see two DC motors and one servo motor, and also using a 8298 motor driver, so it will be drive these two motors, and also using a servo motor. The servo motor will be connected to the Arduino Uno, and also we are using a two batteries and two inverters. So in this system, so the DC voltage will be converted into a AC voltage. That AC voltage will be converted into a DC voltage. So here we can see there are small diodes which are connected to the inverter output. So that these diodes will be act as a rectifier. That rectifier will generate a AC voltage into a DC voltage. That DC voltage will be given to this track PC L298 motor driver. So when we give the 12 volts, so it will be give the 12 volts of 11 volts of the voltage that will be given to this L298 motor driver, and here we can see a small voltage regulator here. So it will be take the 11 volts and it will give a 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be given to this Arduino Uno. So using this Arduino Uno board, we are giving the 5 volts power supply to the servo motor. At the same time, we are giving the 5 volts power supply to the ESP module. So these components are the converters. So it is taking the DC voltage, thus that will be given to this inverter converting DC to AC, and again here we can see diodes. It is converting the AC voltage into a DC voltage. So and also here we can see two capacitors. It will filter the DC voltage to become pure. So that pure DC voltage will be given to this L298. So using this L298, we are taking the power supply to the Arduino Uno board. So the main aim of this part is to control these DC motors and servo motors using this LabVIEW software. So first of all, we need to and also we are using a charging circuit for this one. So here we can see, so we provide the 230 volts power supply using this power cable, and so here we can see these are two step down transformers. So it will take the 230 volts and it will be step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this rectifier, and this rectifier converts AC to DC. That converted DC will be given to this battery. So here we can see this is a charging circuit for the batteries. For the two batteries, we are using a two connections. So if I give the power supply to this one, so we can see there will be a light indication, which means this battery get charging. So we need to charge this battery maximum 5 to 6 hours. Now I am giving the charging, and we need to switch on the power supply using these two switches, first switch and the second switch. And now these two inverters are inactive, and also we can see the power supply here. And also we need to go for the hotspot settings. So here we can see in the hotspot settings. So we need to set our hotspot name as a Propulsion 6774, and the password should be 129, and also AB band should be 2.4 GHz. Then only this Wi-Fi module will be use our network. At the same time, this laptop also we need to connect our mobile data of this hotspot, which means these two this Wi-Fi, laptop Wi-Fi, and the ESP this monitor Wi-Fi will be connected to one device, which means each of these two devices have maintained the same IP address. So we need to identify that IP address. So we can see ESP also connected here, and the desktop means laptop. Now we need to go for the network analyzer app. So here we can see network analyzer app, which is also available in the Play Store. We need to go for this one. So before on this network analyzer, Wi-Fi should be off. Now we need to scan this one. So home interface like this. So we need to go for 3 lines and have to choose LAN scan. LAN scan is nothing but a local area network. We need to scan this one. So here we can see ESP, Express, if, and the desktop we can see here. So we need to identify the ESP express if IP address. So here we can see this is the IP address. So we need to paste this IP address in the LabVIEW interface. So first of all we need to go for this LabVIEW document. So here we can see LabVIEW is opening. So we can see this is the interface. So if you want to see the internal connections of this LabVIEW, just press Ctrl E. So here we can see this is the system. So that copied IP address of the Express or ESP Wi-Fi model. So we need to send the give the IP address of this TCP. So here we can see this is the IP address. So we copied address. So here we can this IP address of the expressive and this IP address should be same. Then only these two devices will be communicated each other using our mobile data. Now after that one, here we can see we need to go for this arrow to start or communicate with the device. Just press this one and it is ready. And if you observe the motors here, now I am giving as a forward command. So here we can see forward button and I have pressed forward button and I have to increase the speed using this one. So slowly increase the speed. So now again I am increasing. So we can see I have increased the maximum speed. So this is the maximum speed. I am decreasing this one slowly. So we can see that there will be decreasing very speed slowly. Again I am increasing the speed. Now I am decreasing the speed. Decrease very slowly, then only it will be controlled. Increasing slowly and decreasing very slowly. And also if you want to left right operation, so just maintain the speed as a minimum. If you want to rotate this one, for the left we can see the motor directions, and right, so we can see the motor directions. For the backward, so we can see the motor directions here. Now just press stop and motor will be stops here. Now for the servo motor control, we need to rotate that one left. So just press. Now I am pressing left, servo left. So we can see it is rotated left side. For the normal position, we need to press normal. Due to some network issue, it is taking some time to control that one. And now I am pressing the servo L, it will be rotate right side. So you can see it is rotated right side. Now press normal. So in this way, you can control using the LabVIEW software interface. So in this way this quite will be works. Thanks for the watching.